A survey asked students if they preferred MacBook or Chromebook. 41 students said that they like MacBook, 29 students said that they like Chromebook, and 11 students said they like both. If 3 students said they didn't like either one, how many students were surveyed? Okay, now you don't just want to add all these four numbers together and get the answer, okay? The key is these 11 students, right? Remember, they said that they like both. And when it says that 40 students said they like MacBook, right, that actually includes these 11 students. Right, same thing with the 29 students who said that they like Chromebook, right? That actually includes the 11 who like both. So what are we really talking about here? Okay, so if we draw the Venn diagram, okay, and we can draw the circles, right? So remember, each circle represents each of these sets here, right? So in this case, that'll be all the students who like MacBook, and then this next circle here that overlaps, right? So, but this circle here represents all the students who liked Chromebook. Remember, what does this overlap mean, right? This overlap means that they like both, right? Well, let's take a look. How many students like both? In this case, there's going to be 11. Right, so there's 11 students who said, you know what, I like both MacBook and Chromebook. So they are within that region where these two circles overlap. Okay, well, 41 students said that they like MacBook. Okay, now you don't want to put the 41 here. Okay, and the reason why is because the 41 represents everyone who said they like MacBook, right? We want to put a 30 there. Okay, so you notice that, well, wait a minute, 30 plus 11 does give us a 41, right? So what is this really saying here? It's saying that out of these 41 students, right, 30 of them said, you know what, I just like MacBook, but 11 of them said, you know what, I like MacBook, but I also like Chromebook. So similarly, 29 students said they like Chromebook, right? You don't want to put a 29 here, right? You want to put an 18. Okay? And the total within this circle now, the total is 29. Okay, so out of these 29 students, 11 said, you know what, I like Chromebook and MacBook, but these 18 said, you know what, I like Chromebook, but I don't like MacBook at all. Okay, and then we see here that 3 students didn't like either one. Okay? I guess they just use your cell phones or something, I don't know. Okay, so now, remember, this box here, right, this box represents the universe, right? All the people, or in this case, all the students who were surveyed, right? So we should be able to answer this question, right? How many students were surveyed? Well, we just have to add these four numbers together. Remember, you don't want to add the 41 plus 29 plus 11 plus 3, right? Because you're going to count these 11 students twice. Okay, but if we add these four numbers together, that should give us the answer. In this case, 62 students were surveyed.